go.
Hi boys and girls. Today on KidStir, we are going to make a little dog out of a Twix candy bar. So you will get your icing. You don't really need very much, and I'm using a toothpick. So you'll have a Twix bar, your googly eyes, a Hershey Kiss for the nose, and some chocolate chip pieces for the foot, or the feet, four of them. So let's put this together. So we'll put a little icing on here. Your icing is going to be like your glue. And we'll do the little eyes. Got your little googly eyes. And so for your tail and your ears, you're going to get a little miniature Tootsie Roll. You'll get actually 2 of those. So you can use those like clay to mold your little ears. So if you want your dog to have long ears, or however you want your little dog, some have longer ears than others. Kathy used the wrong end of the toothpick there. But that's okay. So we'll get that on there, and then we'll just, I think I'm just going to dip this in here a little bit. So we have the glue for his little tail. And then you can put your little chocolate chips on there for his feet if you want. And this gives you an idea of what it's going to look like. And then we would love to see what you all do. Oh, and if you also wanted to use one of the little chocolate chips on the end, you can make him a little nose. Put him just a little bit there on the end of his nose. So this is what we're going to do the first one. And you all, like I said, if you'll send emails to Miss Libby or I so we can see pictures of what you do, we'd love to see what you make. The next thing we're going to do is a real easy one, and it'll go pretty fast. So we are going to make some rainbow grapes. So what you do is you'll have your grapes, and we're going to give you 2 different colors of, this is Jell-O powder. And so you can take your grapes. Now you can do this however you want. If you want to put your powder out and then just roll your grape in it, or you can do it a real easy way. Take a couple of grapes out of your bag of grapes that you get and put them in the bag and shake them around. And then you will have rainbow grapes. So you can do your colors. You'll have 2 different colors. But the really good thing is if you can wait a little while, if you will take your grapes after you get the Jell-O powder on them and put them in the freezer, they are amazing. So you can do those, and you'll have, like I said, 2 different colors to do yours and however you want to do them. So thank you, and hope you guys have a great day.